Hey Josh, I'm seeing a lot of AI trading now on the market. What is your opinion on that?
All right. So when you say AI trading, can you define what that means specifically?
Yeah, so I'm seeing, for example, a lot of people mix in Claude with their trading view and having Claude analyze the market and place different trades for them.
All right. So Claude's placing the trade, or Claude is giving them feedback, and the user is placing the trade.
Both.
Okay. So I haven't seen a track record or a performance of anyone saying I have made X with X. Right.
Mhm.
So AI is relatively new technology. It's not brand new, but it's not like 10, 20, 30 years old, right?
Right.
So, from my experience, AI has been a wonderful tool to utilize to get you like 80% there on like anything.
Mhm.
But I have yet to really see an AI tool take it all the way. What I mean by that is it misleads a lot,
Yeah,
right? It kind of
for
feels
sure.
like sometimes I will use AI and it's like why would you tell me this? Because this is completely wrong. And then I'll question it and say, this is wrong. And they go, oh yeah, you're right. I am wrong. I'm sorry for this. So to me, it's still relatively misleading. So and what do I think? I think it's cool. I think it's great. I think it's fantastic. If it makes things easier, I'm all for it. If it makes someone find that aha moment, which allows them to place better trades, I think it's fantastic. I have just yet to see anything actually work in regards to a track record. And so until I see the track record and say this is exactly where it came from, how we did it, and it's repeatable, then I'll have a stronger opinion on it.
Yeah, and for people just starting trading, do you think it's something they should explore or just stick with structure?
Well, I think both, right? I don't think you should ignore technology, but I think you should just realize what it is, right? I don't think it's there yet, but I think it's on its way. So think of it
Mhm.
like the human body, there's a surgery, and it's like it's almost there. Like some people heal, but some people get paralyzed. And
Yeah.
so probably want to wait another 5 years before you use that surgery until everyone gets healed, right?
Yeah.
So, or at least the majority. So I think both. I think it's very smart that I don't think people need to be an expert of like the ins and outs, but building a foundation is always the best thing to do. Like look at any sort of sports, back to the foundations, right? Um, Back to basics. If you don't know how to open a chart, close a chart, save a chart, if you don't know how to read Japanese candlesticks, if you can't find direction, entry stops, limits, or even know what risk management is on your own or larger time or smaller time frames, you're at a massive disadvantage because frankly, you're competing against those who do. Now, I think AI can help bridge the gap, but I don't think ignoring the basics is a good idea, and I don't think ignoring technology is a good idea. I think it needs to be a hybrid of both.
Nice. And do you think in the future, do you think this will keep going or do you think it might implode soon?
No, I think we'll keep going. I think it's here to stay.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be a tool. I don't think we've yet to experience, at least from my perspective, yet to experience like AI money management.
Mhm.
Um, I just haven't seen it yet. It doesn't mean one day it won't happen. I think one day we're kind of heading there. But you're talking about, even if let's just say AI money management is here today, it's still going to take 3 to 5 years to really truly see if it truly works. And if there's a mistake, then the clock resets. And also going to require how would AI money management react during a crash, during a consolidating market, during a boom, right? It's you just lack the experience. However, you can always upload historical, tick by tick data and kind of put it to the ringer. But I don't think it's going to go away. I think it's here to stay, but I don't think it's right where people think it is.
Yeah. I say I would agree, Josh. Thank you.